I always love the day that I get my KSCraft dies in, and I can't wait to show you what they sent me. And here they are. I always get so excited. Okay, so let's start off with the first one, and this time I got all the prices for you before I did my video. So this is the birthday shadow word set. So it's $4.99 and you get 10 dies total. And what I mean is that you got 5 sentiments, and then you get the outside border die. Okay, so I think, and that really helps the words pop. You know what I mean? So you can use like a different color in the background or however you want to do it. But anyway, so you have celebrate, hooray, and then you have happy birthday. So this is happy and then birthday. And then you also have wishes. So you could do birthday wishes. I just absolutely love these. These are my favorite type of things because you know how hard it is to cut these out on your Cricut and stuff like that. So I really prefer dies. Just being totally 100% honest. I have cut out words, but you know, this is just so much easier. I just can just run it through one time and boom, it's done. Okay, also we have the little retro Converse sneaker. It is so cute. This is the high top one. This one is $3.79 and this was designed by Nicole and I absolutely love it. So it is a little sneaker shaker. Adorable. Can't wait to make something with this. Hannah, I believe on her YouTube channel, she showed some of these. And of course it's called KSCraft. So anyway, let me show you this adorable little cake shaker. And this one is $3.69. I absolutely love this too. Perfect to go with those birthday sentiments as well. So we also have these little mini bag toppers that are $3.99. Designed by Nicole, and I'm going to pull this out here real quick so you can get a better look. Look at how cute these are. You have the little lips, and you can attach the lips right here to this, and then you have this little bag topper as well that goes with this, so it's layered, and then you have this really super cute kind of a doily heart. Love that. And again, that one is $3.99. Now, the next one is super adorable, and Hannah made a card with this, and I just absolutely love it. This is the cupcake shaper topper, so you can use it as a bag topper, or you can use it as a card. And so you have the word sweet on here, and then you have your several layers to make this a shaker. And again, what's great about this is that you can just fold it over, and then, you know, it makes your card as well if you want to make it a card. So love that. And again, please check out Hannah. She did a little card with this too, and I will be making one soon as well. Now I'm absolutely in love with anything from the 70s, 80s, 90s, and early 2000s. So Nicole created a retro Game Boy shaker. Is that not stinking cute? I love it. Love it, love it. And then we have these cute little bunny shakers, and they are adorable too. And for some reason, I thought that Nicole designed these, but when I looked on the actual Ali website, I didn't see it under there, but that doesn't mean that she didn't make them. I'm not 100% sure, but I will find out for you and let you know. But how cute are they? Three little bunnies sitting next to each other. Just love that. Stinking cute. Even though Easter is over, you can still use these for spring, spring, spring. Love it. Okay. Then we also have the cassette tape designed by Nicole. And I really love this. So you have two different sizes. You have a smaller one. And let me see if I can get the measurements for this one. So this one is about 3 3/4 inches wide and about 2 1/8 inches tall. So that's really cute. And then you have this one is $4.79 for the smaller one, and for just a little bit more you can get the bigger one. You know, I'd have to have both, because if you like making the slimline cards, these are perfect for those as well. And you know, who didn't say bigger is better? 4 1/2 inches wide. Now let me see if I can get the correct height on this. About 3 1/4 inches. Okay. So again, that one is $5.49. Then we also have the retro VHS tape, and I still have a ton. All my Disney videos are VHS. But this one is $4.59. And again, I absolutely love it. So the length of this one is, I'm going the wrong way, 4 1/4. And the height is about 2 1/8. Okay. Love that. And then also we have the Retro Electric Fan Memory Decks card, and this one is stinking cute. I love, love, love it. And you know what? If you just wanted it by itself, you could just cut this off right here. You know what I'm saying? And completely just make it a fan for a scrapbook or a card, you know, either way. So I think this is just too adorable. I used to have one of my grandfather's, and actually my dad told me not to use it anymore because the plug is vintage, and he said that it's not safe to use in our plugs that we have now. So I was kind of bummed out about that one. So that one again is $4.49. Then we also have the Retro Walkman by Nicole. Again, so adorable. And you can turn this one into a shaker too. This one is $4.59. Love, love, love. And then we also have the Elegant Memory Decks. And I don't know why I forgot to write the price down of that one. I apologize. So I will definitely have that down below. But it comes with the memory decks, and you have some little decorations here. You also have, I'm going to pull it out actually, so I can see this better. You have a little stamp that says "With Love." Okay. And so it says, oh, not "With Love," it's "Love You." And then we also have "Created By," and I really love the "Created By." So you could actually use that on anything. So definitely you need to have this in your stash if you love the sentiments in here as well. So I will definitely get the price on that for you. And then we also have the paper bead maker, and this is by Nicole as well, and this one is $4.79. So I'm excited to do this, to make some paper beads. Can make a little bracelet. You could make some little danglies. I think it'll be adorable. Now these two I did not find the prices on, but you know, again, I was kind of in a rush because I really wanted to do this video and show you all these goodies. But you have these really cute flowers with this little spray underneath, and I love that. So I will get the price for that. And now this is really awesome too. So when you're making your slimline cards and your regular cards, and you want to have like a reveal word or sentiment or saying, you definitely could use this in your stash. Okay, so, and I didn't find this one, I guess because I don't know the name of it. Probably is the real reason why I couldn't find it, but I will get that for you. And guys, don't forget to visit KSCraft store on AliExpress, and also they have a Amazon shop as well, so definitely check them out. And I shop from both, and I love it. So anyway, I hope y'all have a wonderful and fabulous day. And again, all the links will be down below. Have a wonderful and fabulous afternoon, guys.